Channel. Today we're diving into the chilling world of the Ice Age. Imagine a world draped in ice where colossal glaciers carved their way across continents and extraordinary creatures roamed a vastly different landscape. This was the Ice Age, a period of Earth's history characterized by extreme cold and dramatic environmental change. Join me as we journey back in time to explore this fascinating epoch and unearth its secrets. The Ice Age wasn't a single event, but a series of glacial periods punctuated by warmer interglacials, stretching back millions of years. These cycles of freezing and thawing, driven by subtle shifts in Earth's orbit and tilt, had a profound impact on the planet. Each glacial period lasting tens of thousands of years saw vast ice sheets advance from the poles, locking away water, carving valleys and shaping mountains. Then, a warming breath, the interglacial would usher in a period of retreat, melting glaciers and raising sea levels. The most recent glacial period peaked around 20,000 years ago, with ice sheets blanketing much of North America, Europe and Asia. Around 11,700 years ago, the icy grip began to loosen. The receding ice left behind a transformed landscape, ripe for the rise of civilizations. The Ice Age wasn't just a time of ice and hardship, it was a period teeming with life, where remarkable creatures evolved to conquer the cold. Take the woolly mammoth for instance. Encased in thick fur and layers of fat, with massive tusks for foraging beneath the snow, it was a symbol of resilience in a frozen world. Imagine encountering these magnificent beasts on a vast, wind-swept tundra. Then there's the saber-toothed cat, a formidable predator with elongated canines perfectly designed to take down large prey. And let's not forget the giant ground sloth, a lumbering herbivore that could reach the size of a modern elephant. These incredible creatures painted a vibrant picture of life during the Ice Age. Their adaptations offer a glimpse into the challenges they faced and the ingenious ways in which life thrived in extreme environments. The Ice Age wasn't just a defining period for the planet, it was a crucible for our own species. Early humans, facing the challenges of a changing world, were pushed to adapt, innovate and migrate, ultimately shaping the course of human history. Imagine our ancestors huddled around flickering fires, seeking warmth against the biting wind. They were crafting tools from bone and stone to hunt, build and clothe themselves, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of adversity. Land bridges, exposed by lower sea levels, connected continents, allowing early humans to migrate, spreading across the globe. Cave paintings from this era depict these creatures with awe and respect, offering a glimpse into the relationship between our ancestors and the Ice Age world. Through it all, our ancestors not only survived but thrived, their resilience and adaptability laying the foundation for the civilizations that would follow. The Ice Age was a period of profound change that shaped humanity in profound ways. The legacy of the Ice Age is etched upon the face of our planet. It's a legacy written in towering mountains, carved valleys, and vast lakes, a testament to the power of ice to sculpt and reshape the world around us. Consider the Great Lakes of North America, carved out by the immense weight of the ice sheets. Fjords, those dramatic steep-sided inlets, were carved by glaciers, their immense weight gouging deep channels in the earth. Even subtle features like drumlins and eskers paint a picture of the ice's relentless advance and retreat. The Ice Age wasn't just a period of cold, it was a period of immense geological change. Its legacy is all around us, a reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped our planet and continue to shape it today. The Ice Age wasn't a random event. It was triggered by a complex interplay of factors, a delicate dance between Earth and its environment. One key factor is Earth's orbit and tilt. Over thousands of years, these undergo subtle variations, influencing the distribution of sunlight and therefore heat across the planet. These variations can tip the balance, leading to cooler summers and milder winters, allowing ice sheets to grow. Another factor is the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. During the Ice Age, lower levels of carbon dioxide contributed to the cooling effect. Volcanic eruptions played a role too, spewing ash and particles into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and further lowering temperatures. Understanding the causes of past ice ages is crucial for predicting future climate change. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. From the giants that roamed its icy plains to the profound impact it had on our own species, The Ice Age offers a captivating glimpse into a world both foreign and familiar. It's a reminder of our planet's dynamism, its capacity for dramatic change, and the intricate web of life that has adapted and thrived through it all. As we continue to grapple with our own changing climate, the lessons of the Ice Age serve as a potent reminder of our planet's delicate balance and the profound interconnectedness of all living things.